Welcome to our guide on adding payment methods in WordPress for 2025. Ready to boost your online store? First, log into your WordPress dashboard. It's your central hub for all site operations. Navigate to the Plugins section. Here, you can install various payment gateways. Choose and install the payment gateway you prefer, like PayPal or Stripe. Once installed, activate the plugin. Visibility is vital to ensure it's ready for use. Head to the settings of your installed gateway. Customize your payment methods to fit your needs. Now, enter your API details. Ensure they're accurate for secure transactions. Next, configure currency settings. Choose the currency that best suits your audience. Save your changes and test the payment process. Make sure everything runs smoothly. Finally, monitor transactions regularly. Stay connected with your customers for their satisfaction. And there you have it! You successfully added payment methods in WordPress 2025. For more tips, subscribe to our channel and check the description below.